visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you see this video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan na natin ang nangyayari sa paligid, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Cups. So parang, paano mo naman makukuha ang isang bagay kung hindi mo sinusubukan? Ayan tayo, no? Kasi we are just living in the what ifs, no? In layman's term, pwede ito sa paano ka mananalo sa loto kung hindi ka naman tumataya, 'di ba? Or pwede rin ito nagagamit sa mga scams, 'di ba? Yung may tatawag sa na ay ganito, ganyan, nanalo ka sa ganito. Bigla, yung iba naman kasi is, oo, sige, no, naalala ko tuloy yung nanay ko. My mom, parang nakatanggap siya ng tawag from AKAP daw, blah, blah, yada, yada. Eh, narinig siya ng kapatid ko. Ay, ba't ka nagbibigay ng information, tas yung OTP, blah, blah, yada, yada. So, ayun, fortunately, wala namang nangyari so far. Kasi naagapan, buti na lang na ano ng kapatid ko, narinig ng kapatid, nagbigay ng mga information, ganyan. So, nag-post na rin sa Facebook, if in case may tatawag at mangungutang yung nanay ko, hindi po siya yun, no? So, ayun na nga. Yun yung mga ganon, kung hindi mo susubukan, bakit hindi mo makukuha? So, ibig sabihin dito, paano ka mananalo sa loto kung hindi mo susubukan? Paano mapapasayo ang isang tao kung hindi mo lalapitan, kung hindi ka magsasalita, kung hindi mo ipaparamdam kung ano yung feelings mo sa kanya. Hindi naman lahat ng tao sensitive. Hindi lahat ng tao may kakayahan makaramdam kung ano yung nararamdaman, no? Even us, tarot readers. Kasi ang hindi magandang connotation dito is you'll know everything. There might be some na yung kutob-kutob, no? Pero kasi we are, let's say, meron kasing minsan nagsasabi, nagtataro reading ka, ba't hindi mo alam na ganito yung mangyayari sa'yo? Hindi naman kami laging may hawak ng cards, di ba? And yung iba kasing tarot readers, hindi umaano sa kanila yung reading nila. Their gift is to give information and heal, no? Hindi kaya kailangan, this is a coven na There's no man in an island. Kailangan mo ng tao sa paligid mo. So, that's why it's called sisterhood, no? Kaya itong reader, kailangan ng ibang tarot reader for, to connect, yung ganyan. Pwede rin naman yung for guidance for yourself, pero, pag thorough reading, it might be you might be needing someone. You might be needing someone anyway, no? Hindi lahat ng, yung katulad niyan, lumapit ka sa kanya, tumabi ka, dapat alam niya na, wala namang ganun, no? So with the Queen of Cups, let them know, let them feel. Hindi mo kailangan maging aggressive. You can be the Queen of Cups, no? A simple gesture of magbigay ng what? A simple note. It can be ipagluto mo siya. It can be bilan mo ng favorite na pagkain. Letter F. Bigyan mo ng favorite ng pagkain, wala namang masama, no? Let them know, at least makaramdaman lang sila no? Na you feel something for them. Na or either ready ka na rin magpatawad. It's okay. Lalo na kung nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan, pwede mo namang huwag idirekta sa kanya na pinapatawad na kita. No, you can post something on your profile na on your page na I mean sa wall mo na I already forgive you, or a quote, or it might be a song. There's a lot of ways for you to communicate with the person, lalo na kung you are well connected to them, lalo na kung hindi rin naka-block. So, one way or another, makikita din niya yung post mo. The temperance is here. This is, I think, I know kung anong reading na ito. Kasi the energy of the reading is giving us a push, no? Try to do something that you have probably not done yet. Sabagay, you're not gonna get a different result if you're doing the same steps. Diba? Oo nga naman. Kung yung step 1 to 8 mo pare-parehas, kunyari, you already failed from step 1 to 8, and that's, you failed, yes, you can try again. And then you failed, yes, you can try again. And then you failed. I think that there's something wrong in this step, then probably you can tweak something. No, you can probably experiment on things up until you perfect it. So, katulad ng lightning. Oh my God. Nakita niyo isa kong video lately. Yung super ang pula-pula. O, di ba ngayon medyo maayos na. So, yung gano'n, you try to experiment up until you get the proper lightning. And it might not be the proper lightning for now, but it's working. Probably I might be needing some more in the future, but this is okay for me, unlike yung mga nakaraan, diba? So it's okay to experiment. It's okay to try different things, diba? With the Two of Pentacles. So ayan tayo, kasi pinanghihinaan na tayo agad ng loob. Fear is, sabi nga nila, no, when you talk about metaphysics, fear is just a frame in our mind, wherein you have to do it, even though that it's fearful. One way or another, you're gonna learn something. And if you learn something, that's still a win. It's not a lose. Whether the result is good or bad, the result will be a learning. And sometimes the learning, you cannot even know that academically. No, most of our learnings in life is through experiences. So, bakit hindi? Diba? And are you going to live in the what if for the rest of your life and hunt, parang yung what if na yun is going to haunt you? I think it's much better to give that a kick and put an end to it. Kung hindi, diba? At least you can move forward. With the Ace of Pentacles, maganda naman daw yung result, no? So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, the universe is pushing us to do what our hearts desire. Wala tayong mahihita kung tayo magpapatanga-tanga lang, at meron ganyan sa kwento ng yung folklore, 'di ba? Si Juan Tamad. Ang bayabas ay hindi siya kusang lalaglag, 'di ba? All you just have to do is to stand up, pick up the bayabas and eat it. So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po 'yan, kung gusto niyo po no na magtanong sa akin sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link and you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Kung nakaka-resonate kayo, please let me know sa comment section. Maraming salamat. We just have to beat the YouTube algorithm. Paiba-iba siya, no? Help me with that. And again, thank you so much. The zodiac sign, it can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, ha? Sagittarius, Pisces, ang seeing Scorpio, a Cancer, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.